bakit hindi na lang sagutin yung mga tanong, no? Para matapos na, para mabilis ng trabaho. Kung wala ka naman tinatago, edi sagutin mo yung mga tanong. Kaya nga ako tuwan-tuwa Kong Jude pag nakita ko si VP Sara na nag-a-attend, tapos kalmado siya, nagsasalita. That's the kind of Vice President that I want to see. Confident, serenely confident. And I think that's what people would expect from any public official. Sana all, sana every time. Kaso nga, pag meron ganyang mga claims, para sa akin, wag na natin pansin yung mga ganong claims. It's just mere distractions. Focus lang tayo dun sa trabaho. Pagsagot sa tanong, it's as simple as that. Kung wala naman tayong tinatago, edi sagutin natin. Of course, I do not know what is hindering them from answering these questions, and that they have to resort to these
Name calling.
ludicrous claims, out of this world.